The DevOps project aims to close the gap between today's and future's skills demands of municipal workforce, by emphasizing on the exploitation of emerging employment paradigms. Its mission is to develop job profiles for smart cities DevOps professionals. DevOps project is an Erasmus Plus project and it has been funded with support from the European Commission.
Competence description. Cities are becoming more intelligent. The world of smart cities is a huge challenge to navigate and understand, from the many small municipalities that have recently installed smart meters to measure electric power consumption to the handful of large metropolises that have adopted a far-reaching and broad array of systems and technologies for all key functions.
A system of systems underpins smart cities. Smart lighting systems, building automation systems, emergency management systems, security and access control systems, intelligent grids, renewable energy, water treatment and supply, transportation, and other technologies are examples of these. The notion of a smart city is not new, many of these technologies already exist.
Learning objectives. The learning objectives of Smart Cities Platform's module are the following.
Define what makes a city a smart city.
Identify the domains of a smart city.
Identify the 3 layers of smartness of a smart city.
Know some examples of smart cities. Competence content. The competence content is divided in the following units.
Introduction to smart city.
The domains of a smart city.
The 3 layers of smartness.
The platform approach.
Examples of smart cities around the world.
This first unit allows the learner to share a single thesaurus on the definition of smart city, to share what global trends are, to learn what the hidden costs of a city are, and identify the challenge facing the city manager.
This second unit introduces the learners to concepts needed for modeling a digital twin.
The second unit allows the learners to identify which are the 8 domains of a smart city.
After acquiring a common thesaurus and identifying the domains on which a smart city impacts, in the third unit it is necessary to identify the 3 levels of smartness.
The fourth unit is introducing the concept of platform and identifying its advantages compared to a silos approach.
Finally, the fifth unit analyzes some examples of smart cities around the world to help stakeholders imagine which examples are relevant to their smart city.
Digital platform definition. A digital platform is an integrated digital service center that allows technology integration and data aggregation and enables applications using
intelligent digital technology, cloud computing, big data, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, and other emerging technologies as its components.
Data as production resource.
Digital services as its output.
Smart City Platform supports. Alpha Smart City Platform has to be intelligent and to integrate functions from numerous and diverse domains such as water management, waste management, mobility, energy, etc. Smart City Platforms. Smart City Platforms are IoT-enabled solutions that allow smart city end users to gain seamless access to data previously spread across multiple silos of functionality.
A smart city platform should perform many functions. This includes analytics, remote asset monitoring, performance management as well as decision support and/or presentation components.
At a minimum, the functionalities of a smart city platform should include
visualization,
application enablement,
data management.
Smart city platforms. Other issues platforms can deal with are
cybersecurity,
device management,
network management,
application development,
analytics,
geolocation services,
mobility and transportation management,
health and public safety,
environment and energy,
governance. City managers around the world are launching smart city initiatives to improve the efficiency and effectiveness but also the attractiveness of their infrastructure and services. Having the proper technology strategy in place prior to launching a major program is essential. It allows to avoid proliferation of incompatible, non-interoperable solutions that constrain benefits and escalate ongoing support costs. Platforms market. The Smart City Integrated Operations Platform marketplace is still in its formative stages.
There are many suppliers, from large IT integrators, or telecom companies like Cisco and AT&T, to primarily industrial conglomerates like Siemens and Schneider Electric.
Some suppliers have very strong regional businesses, for example, Huawei in China and other parts of Asia and Africa. ZTE and Inspur are also primarily Chinese suppliers. Main Smart City platforms:
FiWare, Open Platform,
AT&T Dataflow,
AWS IoT Suite,
Bosch IoT Suite,
Cisco Kinetics for Cities,
Deloitte City Synergy,
Google Cloud Platform,
Huawei Horizon City,
IBM Watson IoT Platform,
Microsoft IoT Suite,
Nokia Impact,
SAP Cloud Platform,
Siemens MindSphere.
FiWare. FiWare is an open-source platform. It provides a framework made of software building blocks that can be assembled to accelerate the development of smart solutions, for instance in cities.
FiWare building blocks are 100% open source and can be easily embedded by ecosystem partners in the design of their solutions and reduce vendor lock-in risks.
Stakeholders value greatly how IoT data can be easily merged with data from other relevant sources. Also, the fact that use of FiWare platform components is royalty-free is a plus. The underlying principles for the FiWare platform are interoperability, modularity and customizability.
In addition to the growing interest in open-source software, European subsidies constitute another important reason for cities to develop FiWare-powered or compatible platforms.
Possible areas of improvement include security, visualization and geospatial analysis, end-to-end solution. Cisco Kinetics for Cities. Cisco's Kinetic for Cities is an end-to-end proprietary data platform that consists of 3 different offerings.
Connectivity solutions enabling users to gather data from sensors and IoT endpoints.
The IoT platform that transforms, ingests, normalizes, and transports data to applications and users.
The security portfolio that provides access to a city's network and data platform.
The Kinetic suite actually exists for different verticals: manufacturing, oil and gas, transportation, retail, and cities. The city-focused data platform is the best-ranked one. Competence learning outcomes. Upon completion of this module, the learner will be able to
define a smart city,
identify the smart city drivers,
identify the domains of a smart city,
identify the 3 layers of smartness of a smart city,
describe why a platform approach is necessary,
analyze some example of smart cities around the world.